Let's talk about logs. If I had a number line over here, and this number right there, that's 1. What number gives me 1? Well, 10 to the 0 power. Anything to a 0 power gives you 1. 10 to the 0 gives me a 1. Let's say over here I have 0 on my number line. If 10 to the 0 gives me 1, then of a necessity, any number below 1 will require having an exponent here that is less than 0. If 10 to the 0 gives me a 1, then anything less than 0, 10 to the negative something, will give me a number less than 1. So any exponent less than 0 will be negative, of course. So for numbers falling within this range, the log will be negative. Their logs will be negative. Let's find out how true that is. Here's our calculator. We turn it on. The log of 1, close friends, is a 0. The log, now let's choose, just for fun, let's choose 3 points on this line. Let's choose 0.9, 0.5, and 0.1. And let's see if those turn out to have negative logs. All right, here we go. The log of 0.9. Let's do that one first. Log of 0.9 equals, there we go, negative 0.04575. Let's test this out, see if it's true. 10 to what power should give me 0.9? Well, I won't put in all the numbers. I'll put in most of them. That'll give me an approximation. 0.04575. 575. 10 to the negative 0.04575. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, let's now do log 0.5. The log of 0.5 is negative 3.301. So 10 raised to the negative 0.301029 should give me about a 0.5. And there we go. We are good. One more to do, and that's log of 0.1. And that gives me a negative 1. So the closer I come, well, pardon me, the further, as soon as I drop down below 1, my exponents, or logs, become negative. Wow. So what was that again? As soon as we refer to numbers below 1. That was a bad W. Then what are we talking about? We're talking about exponents that are negative. As soon as we refer to numbers on the number line below 1, at that point we're talking about exponents that are negative. What do you know? What do you know? Well, thanks so much for listening. This is George Bull saying bye-bye.